I think Fidelity's put their finger on an issue. There's 80 million Americans that currently own or have owned digital assets. 30% of institutions want to own these digital assets. 401k plan is a pretty common thing for millions and millions of workers to use to save in order to protect their family interest. And this is going to fill an important vacuum in the investment product market.
Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for daily videos on everything going on in cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll talk about the huge Bitcoin adoption news and integration with Fidelity. We'll talk about the major Ethereum L2 news and a new token that's dropping. You could potentially claim this. We'll also update you on what's going on with some of our favorite altcoins, like Cardano, like Avalanche, like Terra, and so much more. If you appreciate us coming at you on a daily basis, smash up that like button and let's jump in. Fidelity is one of North America's largest financial service providers. They've just made a huge step towards Bitcoin adoption and integration. Fidelity to allow Bitcoin in 401k retirement accounts. Fidelity's new product will let Americans allocate as much as 20% of their retirement savings into Bitcoin. Why is this such a big deal? It's because Fidelity is literally the largest in North America. By the numbers, 40 million individual investors at Fidelity, about 11.8 trillion assets under administration, about 4.5 trillion total discretionary assets, about 2.8 million daily average trades. When you do well, we do well. As a privately held company, we use our investors' mindset to make sound judgments for the long term, for our customers and our business, and to articulate why this is such a sound long-term product to offer their 40 million customers and trillions of money under management is Michael Saylor to clue us in as to why Bitcoin is, first of all, why would you want to put it in your retirement account? And second, what are the advantages?
Bitcoin's digital property, and that makes it the perfect asset for a retirement plan. It's less risky than bonds, than stocks, than commercial real estate, than gold. It was kind of built for this. Most people buying Bitcoin, they want to give it to their grandchildren and their great-grandchildren. So I think Fidelity's put their finger on an issue. There's 80 million Americans that currently own or have owned digital assets. 30% of institutions want to own these digital assets. 401k plan is a pretty common thing for millions and millions of workers to use to save in order to protect their family interest. And this is going to fill an important vacuum in the investment product market.
Now, and I realize that MicroStrategy is technically a tech company, but it is also the largest publicly traded company in terms of Bitcoin holdings. So are you expecting many of your employees to actually adopt this into their retirement plans?
Yeah, there's been a lot of demand for this. They've been asking for it for quite a while. And so it's a technical challenge to offer 401k savings plans. And Fidelity has overcome that challenge in offering a great product. So we're really delighted to be able to offer it to our employees.
Let's talk about Ethereum and then the Optimism L2 token airdrop. First of all, 10% of all circulating Ethereum is now in the ETH2 deposit contract. What does this mean? The hunger for ETH staking is insatiable. This is the data. You can see that 10% of circulating ETH is now in the ETH2 deposit contract. At current prices, that's over 33 billion committed to securing Ethereum through staking. Ethereum Layer 2 network Optimism is dropping a token. This is what you need to know. This is being referred to as airdrop number 1. I'm going to tell you how to check to see if you can claim your tokens and what's coming in the future. First of all, Optimistic Protocol OP is dropping 5% of total initial token supply to about 250,000 unique addresses. The focus is on people who have used Optimism, contribute to their communities in a positive some way, or are L2 curious or have been priced out of L1. The airdrop includes Gitcoin donors, bridge users, multi-sig signers, snapshot voters, Even if you haven't used Optimistic Protocol, you should probably check whether you're eligible. Be very, very careful what you click on. The official site is app.optimism.io, and you can go to the governance section. Heads up, you actually can't claim yet. You can only check to see if you're eligible, and most likely you will be eligible if you have bridged to Optimism and used the L2. This is what it'll look like if you're eligible to claim the airdrop. You can see the eligible criteria are repeat Optimism user, multi-sig signer, Optimism user, donated to Gitcoin grants, priced out of Ethereum, DAO voter. Going forward, this is what you need to know. This is the first airdrop. 5% of the total supply is being airdropped, but in the future, 14% of the total token supply is reserved for airdrops. If you are not eligible to claim the free tokens in airdrop number 1, you should probably still bridge your little heart out and use Optimism's L2. If you're used to L1, Optimism feels like magic, and you will perhaps be eligible for future airdrops for the users. Isn't that interesting? Regardless if you're able to claim in this airdrop number 1 or not, in the future, you will most likely be able to claim if you are an Optimism user starting today. Future OP airdrops is the best PSYOP. It drives activity on Optimism. It generates more fees for revenue for the protocol. They donate fee revenue to public goods, such as users, turning degeneracy into re-enercy. And then just finally, what's even the point of Optimism's token? Crypto needs to scale. The path to a superchain, ETH, I guess, should be paved with public goods. The Optimism's team ultimate goal is to decentralize itself into nothingness and cede full control to the community, another stone on the road. Attention crypto holders, attention crypto traders. Do you invest in crypto? Do you trade crypto? If yes, I have a major opportunity that I need to clue you into. Most people in crypto do not know that they can take advantage of this. You should be investing, you should be trading with Choice IRA app, a retirement account. Trade, invest with Choice, and you pay zero capital gains tax. They offer thousands of traditional assets and tons of crypto assets. You can buy crypto with Choice. You can trade crypto with Choice. These guys are a proud sponsor of our channel. You could hold your own keys if you want. Their fees are low and highly competitive. The bottom line is, if you think your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and cryptocurrency assets are going to be worth a lot of money in the long term, why not put a portion of your stack in the Choice app so you won't have to pay any capital gains tax? Your future self will thank you. Take advantage of this. Use our link and receive $50 in free Bitcoin when you set up an account. Take advantage of this. Let me know if you did. In Cardano news, Cardano has just increased its block size by 10% to speed up transactions and dApp performance. Cardano is planning for its big future, along with Avalanche. Avalanche's new wallet will feel smooth as silk, according to their president. So right now, if you use Avalanche, you probably use it through the Ethereum hot wallet, MetaMask. Well, they're about to launch their own. It's called Core. It will be a browser extension and mobile wallet specifically for the AVAX ecosystem. Look forward to that if you're bullish on AVAX. And then finally, with Terra Luna news, Fireblocks launches DeFi support for Terra amid growing institutional demand. Institutional investors have reportedly poured in over $500 million in the first week since the integration has gone live. The key takeaways are leading crypto infrastructure and custody solutions provider Fireblocks has announced that it has integrated Terra into its institutional platform. The integration allows institutions, including venture capital and hedge funds, to invest and earn high yields on DeFi protocols like Anchor, Lido, Astroport on Terra. Fireblocks reportedly saw customers deploying $500 million into the Terra ecosystem in its first week since the integration went live on April 18th. My friends, we are early. I know there's still a lot of FUD and misinformation in cryptocurrency. This is akin to the internet. Even in 1999, the media attacked the internet over energy, saying a lump of coal is burnt every time a book is ordered online. Today, the same attack has shifted towards Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's not moving up very fast, but it's not going down very slow. It's chopping around in a range. Is it boring? Maybe, but boring is good if you want institutional adoption. I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the future of this industry. With that being said, join our team, subscribe to the channel. We release one video every day. I'll see you tomorrow.